guys, I'm here with Civilian Sky. Sorry if I said it wrong. I think she needs to get off of Animal Jam, so I just wanted to put her in the very beginning of the video because I had to redo the other video because I was lagging out and I felt like I couldn't do anything. So, den tours, that is what I'm doing. And so, this is the first den. It is my first original den. Okay, this is kind of like a little like smoothie hut. That's what I tried to make it, but I kind of failed because I couldn't buy anything because I had 267 gems, but now I have 6,267 gems. So I'm pretty happy. Okay, next den. Oh, load. Hopefully this doesn't lag out on me because if it does, I will be super upset because I don't want it to lag out because I'm like trying to make a video, if that makes any sense. So this is the Spring Bunny den item area for my Spring Bunny where I get to sit down and talk to friends. I love this thing a lot, so I have it a lot. So this is like the living room, place where you can chill and drink your cocoa or coffee or whatever. And then this is just a nice forest type thing. Okay, so next den. Oh, please load. Sorry if I yawned. It isn't like late or early or anything. It's just I'm deadbeat tired because tired. So Fantasy Castle. So far it isn't lagging, so I'm really happy, and I'm just like, who? Oh my gosh. Yeah. I love the loading screens. I would take a screenshot of it, but I don't want to. Okay, now let's explore the den. My little office thing where I sit by the warm fire. I don't know why I made that part, but it looks cool. Living room and library. And then you can go outside and just waterfall. Yep. Okay, so next den. And I'm so happy about the Spring Bunny. It's probably my favorite animal so far because nothing has been cuter than this because I love the flowers. It looks adorable. I know it looks like a normal bunny, but it has the spring pattern. I just love it. I love spring. Spring is my favorite thing. That rhymed. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was odd. Is this gonna lag out? Really? This is gonna lag out. I'm gonna refresh. Okay, so I had to refresh because it was lagging. So I'm back, and yeah. Oh man, I needed that. Sorry, I just found something that I lost like last week. So I don't have many dens because I recycled a lot of them. So at the cruise ship party, I could get the smoothie machine, which was, I think, was a waste because dens are pretty expensive. So I thought that was a waste, which is stupid of me. But I remember when I joined the game, I had a smoothie machine. It was like my 5th item. I don't know. Okay. So this is the part of it. Little garden. Hey, no. No, don't. Oh, okay. I won't bother it. Okay, this is where you can sit right here. Look at the fire. And then I feel enchanted over here. And then there's the wheelbarrows, and then there's the big tree. And this is my coffee shop right there. And then this is where I can paint a flower because that's my username. And this is where I can read books. I'm actually a super book nerd, so I have to have the bookshelf and a lot of my dens because I just love bookshelves. Personally, they're my favorite item. Yeah. Man, how many times have I yawned in this video? Oh my gosh. I want you guys to comment how many times I yawned in this video so I can know if I really need to take a nap or something because I've been yawning. And this den, I had spaceship walls with it, but I took it out because I thought this looked better, but it really doesn't. Looks kind of weird, maybe. I don't know. It's your opinion. And so, that is all my dens. I'll see you in my next video, and I want to say my normal goodbye. Bye. Peace out.